So welcome everyone. Before beginning with the video, there is something I want to tell you. Excess fat in our body is stored in the form of triglycerides. Triglycerides, as the name suggests, means one molecule of glycerol is bound to 3 molecules of fatty acids. These triglycerides are stored in the adipose tissue, which is a specialized connective tissue consisting of lipid-rich cells called adipocytes. However, muscle cells cannot directly use triglycerides as a fuel. It would be like running a car on crude oil. Instead, triglycerides need to be broken down into glycerol and free fatty acids before it enters into your bloodstream. This broken down fat acts as a fuel for your body during prolonged exercises and can come from any part of your body, not just the part which is being worked out the most. Like, it does not matter whether you are doing chest or abs, fat reduction can take place from any part of your body, not just the part which is being worked out. Okay, so now I told you that much. Now, please look at these thumbnails. Chest fat gone in 7 days. Oh my god. Wow. खैर आगे देखते हैं week 1 to week 4. Oh wow. यही तो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन चाहिए 28 दिन में 30 दिन में. बहुत ही बढ़िया. लूज बेली फैट इन जस्ट 1 वीक. ओह बहुत ही धुआंधार एकदम. 1 हफ्ते में पेट कम हो रहे हैं इधर. अगर 15 दिन में पेट कम ना हुआ तो अनसब्सक्राइब कर देना. ओ माय गॉड. ये भाई साहब तो अलग ही हैं और इसकी ये गारंटी भी ले रहे हैं. बहुत ही बढ़िया. और यहाँ आपको ये आंटी जी दिख रही होंगी. 8 सुपर इजी एक्सरसाइजेस. बैठे बैठे ही साइड बेली फैट खल्लास. वो बैठे बैठे ही करा रही है और वो भी 7 दिन में, और उसकी गारंटी भी ले रही है. बहुत ही बढ़िया.
ओ भाई मारो मुझे, मारो मारो मुझे, मारो मारो. नहीं ये मजाक हो रहा है.
A study was led by the University of Connecticut in 2007, where 104 participants completed a 12-week resistance training program under which their non-dominant arm was selectively exercised. MRI assessments of subcutaneous fat before and after the program revealed that fat loss tended to be more generalized rather than only occurring in the trained arm. In many cases, heavy weightlifting exercises are proved to be much more beneficial in reducing body fat as compared to endurance exercises such as cardio or cycling. So, if you are someone who just avoids doing heavyweight workouts thinking it will not that much help in reducing body fat, then please stop. Lift as much as you want. Not only that, there are many studies which have already proved the concept of spot reduction as a false concept. Spot reduction means reducing body fat from a specified area. But these people, the thumbnails I have shown you, and there are a lots and lots of such videos on the internet that I cannot cover every single thumbnail in a single video. These are the YouTubers who don't have a damn knowledge or degree or certification in fitness industries, and they don't know a damn about what they are saying, and many of these people are themselves high on steroids. What the hell is this? I mean, week 1 to week 4, or reduce belly fat or chest fat in just 10 days or 15 days or 20 days. What the hell is this? If bodybuilding would have been that much easy, then everyone would have been an extreme bodybuilder like Arnold. People are not crazy spending years and years to train their physique, while a dumb crack nut guy like you is providing with such videos like, oh 15 दिन में पेट कम नहीं हो तो अनसब्सक्राइब कर देना, गारंटी देता हूँ. क्या है ये? 1 हफ्ते में बेली फैट घटाओ. क्या है ये? नहीं, क्या बकवास है? These are the people who are defaming the whole fitness industry. So next time, if your gym trainer or any other person tells you to do a specific set of exercise to reduce body fat from a specific area, then please stay away from that person. That was all for today's video, and if you like it, then please share it as much as you can. And for more stuff like this, you are free to subscribe to the channel and follow me on Instagram. The link to my Instagram is in the description box. Thank you for your time and see you next time.